This is Benitez Carpentry Renovation, and we are a company that we do residential and remodeling. We've been out there in the business since 2016, January, and we are doing really good with clients. Well, thanks to Experian, helped me with my business to check my score, and Experian has been doing really good, showing me every month, the whole year, how my progress is of my company with the credit. I am really happy. Yes, Experian helped me to get a higher credit and keep me posting if anything change on my business credit. So they did really good.